Hey man, listen to me carefully. Sometimes life hits you so damn hard it feels like you can't even breathe. Maybe she left, maybe you lost, maybe you're sitting there right now feeling like a complete wreck. And you know what? Good. That pain you're feeling, it's a gift. Most people waste their suffering, cry about it, drown in it. But you're gonna use it because real growth, real strength, it never comes when you're comfortable. It comes when you're broken, stripped down, and still choose to build yourself back better than before. Today, I'm gonna tell you exactly how to turn that gut-wrenching pain into a force so powerful it will scare the life out of everyone who doubted you. Point 1. Your pain is your blueprint. Bro, I'm gonna tell you something real. The pain you're feeling right now, that gut punch, it's not random, it's the blueprint. It's showing you exactly where you need to rebuild. You see, most guys, they get hurt, and what do? They either cry about it, get drunk, text her 100 times, or spiral into depression. But a smart man, he sees pain for what it really is. A spotlight shining directly on where he was soft, where he was too emotional, too trusting, too lazy, too comfortable. Pain is your cheat code, bro. It's literally giving you the exact map of what needs fixing, so you never feel this weak again. You just gotta be man enough to stop running from it and start listening to it. Every tear you cry, every sleepless night you have, that's life handing you the raw material to build a version of you that doesn't break next time. And trust me, when you build from pain, that foundation, it's unbreakable. Point 2, you can't heal if you stay soft. Bro, you gotta hear this. Healing doesn't happen when you stay soft. It doesn't happen when you sit there feeling sorry for yourself, refreshing her Instagram story, wondering who she's with now. Life's not waiting for you, man, and neither is your future. Every minute you stay soft, you're falling behind. Because here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't heal by feeling better. You heal by becoming better. You heal by dragging yourself out of bed when you don't want to, by pushing the weights when your heart feels heavy, by building your empire even when your mind screams, what's the point? The point is this, the world doesn't give a damn about your heartbreak, but if you channel that heartbreak into action, into growth, into pure cold progress, then one day you'll thank this moment for waking you up. And that's when you become dangerous, when pain becomes your fuel instead of your excuse. Point 3, use obsession but aim it right. Look man, obsession isn't your enemy. It's your damn superpower. The problem is most guys aim it at the wrong target. They obsess over her, over what she's doing, who she's texting, whether she's thinking about them. Bro, that's a dead-end road. That's not obsession, that's self-destruction. You wanna win? Aim that fire at yourself. Obsession should be the fuel that makes you hit the gym so hard your own reflection changes. It should be the reason you start that business, stack that money, sharpen your mind, build your name until it rings in rooms you haven't even walked into yet. Imagine taking all that energy you're wasting on her and turning it into pure dominance over your own life. That's how you flip the game. That's how you become the man no woman, no loss, no rejection can ever shake again. Obsession isn't bad, bro. You're just one good decision away from making it unstoppable. Point 4, stop expecting life to be fair. Bro, if you're sitting there waiting for life to suddenly feel fair, you're already setting yourself up to lose. Life isn't fair. It's never been fair. And the second you accept that, the faster you get ahead. She didn't leave because you deserved it. You didn't get hurt because you were a bad person. Bad things happen to good people every damn day. That's life. The weak ones sit around complaining, crying about how they deserve better. The strong ones, they use it. They eat it. They turn every unfair moment into fuel. Because here's the truth. Life doesn't reward the one who deserves it most. Life rewards the one who adapts the fastest. You can sit there feeling sorry for yourself, or you can get up, brush the dirt off, and show life it picked the wrong man to mess with. Fairness isn't coming, bro. Only fire and resilience will get you where you're meant to be. Point 5, silence is how you win the war. Bro, listen to me. Silence is the deadliest weapon you have right now. Not the angry text, not the emotional rant, not the 3 a.m. I miss you call, none of that. It's silence, complete, cold, unbothered, silence. Because silence says everything you could never fit into words. It tells her, you don't control me anymore. It tells life, I don't need sympathy. I make my own moves now. It tells you that you're done handing out your energy like candy to people who never deserved it. When you stop talking, you stop explaining, you stop trying to prove yourself, that's when they start to feel your absence. That's when you flip the power back in your favor. You become unpredictable, and bro, nothing messes with their head more than a man who walks away and doesn't leave a single breadcrumb behind. Silence isn't weakness. Silence is victory. It's how kings move. Point 6, your comeback has to be private. Bro, let me tell you something important. Your comeback, it's got to be private, silent, relentless, not posting about how you're working on yourself, not dropping fake little updates hoping she notices. Nah, forget all that. You build in the dark. You stack wins when nobody's clapping. You transform when nobody's looking. Because when it's real, it doesn't need an audience. When it's real, she won't hear about it from you. She'll hear about it through the whispers, from the glow up she can't ignore, from the man you became without her even being part of the story anymore. The best revenge, it's not anger, it's not getting even, it's silently becoming everything she thought she could replace, and realizing she never could. Remember this, lions don't announce the hunt, they just win. Point 7, one day you'll be glad she left. Bro, here's what you got a tattoo on your mind. She didn't break you, she built you. Yeah, maybe it feels like she shattered you at first, left you spinning, doubting yourself, hurting like hell. But that wasn't your destruction, bro. That was your construction. That was the universe tearing down the weak version of you, the one that needed her approval, needed her attention, needed her validation. Now you get to rebuild, stronger, sharper, colder. Focus not on winning her back, but on winning yourself back. One day you'll realize that she wasn't the prize. She was the wake-up call. She was the fire that burned away your excuses and left only pure iron behind. And when that day comes, you won't hate her. You'll thank her, because without that pain, you wouldn't have become the man you were always meant to be. So what are you gonna do with this pain now? Drown in it like everybody else? Or build something so powerful, so undeniable that they'll regret ever thinking you were weak? You already know the answer. Now get up and get to work, because the man you're becoming is too damn important to waste another second.